Are you wondering what to eat in Germany on your upcoming trip? Don't worry! From this country you won't come back hungry. German food is truly amazing. Every region has its own specialities, so this journey will never get boring. We believe that there is no better way to explore the city than through its culinary culture, and therefore in 2018 we started organizing food tours in our own city, Frankfurt, for all food lovers out there. Apart from food guiding, we have been traveling and writing about food on our cooking and travel blog for the past 5 years. But on this channel we concentrate on showing you traditional food not only from Frankfurt but also from all around the world. We review food and drink specialities and restaurants. We also visit food markets and food festivals for delicious and traditional food experiences. We search for traditional recipes and traditional ways of cooking. If you are as passionate as we are about traditional food, come over to our YouTube channel and join us on our journey into different cuisines and cultures.